Currently, I work with Viatris, the Komárom center. It's more like not a manufacturing, but more of a quality and packaging unit. I've always been interested in like the medical field. Having a mom as a nurse, I like just going to work with her sometimes as when she goes for night shift. So I've always been interested in the medical field. But at the same time, when I got into my high school, I realized that I had this love for chemistry. So I knew, yeah, probably medicine wasn't the best choice. And when an opportunity came to have a fully funded scholarship to study pharmacy, I was like, okay, let's get done with it. We had like a pharmacy day where different companies and both pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, they visit just to say hello, hi, and kind of tell us how things are done in the pharmaceutical industry. As pharmacy students, we are asked to have a professional practice for at least 8 months. And as at when they came, I had like 1 year in the community pharmacy and another year in the hospital pharmacy. So I'm like, okay, let me see what the industry looks like so I know I have my options open in the future to know which one really interests me. So I spoke to them and they were like, oh yeah, we have internship opportunities opened and you can apply. So I sent in my application, had the interview, and then I got the internship position. And during my internship program, the manager I worked with was like, okay, would you like to still keep working here even after your internship? And I'm like, yeah, I'm in my 5th year. I have a little bit of time that I can spare during the weekends. So that was how I continued working there. At first, when I went there, it was kind of not related to my studies because we had not started like the industrial part of my pharmaceutical studies. But I was able to experience both sides of quality. That was the quality assurance and the quality control. This department are just to make sure that everything that gets into the market is not like fake, or it has the right amount of things. For now, I'm staying at the quality control because I pretty much love doing experiments to check about medication than documentation, so yeah. At first, it was pretty challenging because I had not gotten to that stage of my studies yet. After I got teachings and training, it was pretty straightforward from then. And when I came back to school, like luckily, the semester I started after the internship program, they taught us like the same thing that I did during my internship. So it was like pretty amazing to be able to raise up my hand in class and like answer questions because I already have experience of that before. So yeah, I hope I can stay after graduating next year, but at the same time I'm still leaving my options open. I think quality control is most likely my favorite part as of now. I prefer laboratory works and like actually seeing these chemicals come together and build something out of it. Working with other people has actually made me understand people's viewpoint of things, and it has built my interpersonal relationship skills like to a level where I know that okay, I can confidently say, oh, I can work in any team that I'm being placed and I'll still be able to bring my best to the table. Honestly, just go for it. Don't be scared of getting rejected, because I actually was rejected from Viatris once, and when they came back the next year, I'm like, hi, you rejected me, but I didn't get a reason, and they were like, oh, okay, sorry, we didn't know you didn't get a response, and they were like, if you want, you can apply again, and I applied again for the second time, and that was when I got it. So I would say if you have any opportunity, if you see any opportunity, just go for it. Don't think of, oh, am I qualified or not? If you're not qualified, they will tell you no. And if you are qualified, wow, good for you. So always go for any opportunities you see and learn to use LinkedIn because it goes a long way.